Hey, I'm JT with WTI, and I want to tell you why this 30-piece impact drill bit set from COMOWARE has changed my opinion of what style drill bits I want going forward. First thing that I like is what stood out to me is that I can also use these with my impact driver. Of course, these will also work great with a drill, but it's nice to be able to quickly swap with my impact if my drill's not with me. I admit, I wasn't sure how they would work. Using these both on soft metal like aluminum and wood worked great, and it quickly produced a clean hole with ease. I have no doubt that these bits are going to perform exactly how I would expect them to. I actually like the case that they came in as well. It helps keep each bit firmly in place and also separate from one another. As some of these bits eventually wear out, I can just swap out the sizes with a smaller, more specific set of sizes. In my garage, this set is here to stay. So if you're looking for a new set of drill bits, consider a set that's going to also work with your impact driver, like this 30-piece set from COMOWARE. I think they're great, but that's just my point of view.